In this video, I'll show you how to build an AI auto-classification feature. I'll use user feedback as a simple example. Users submit one sentence, and the AI automatically categorizes it. Then we save the result into the database. First, let's look at the data model. We need a ticket table. This table stores the user's feedback and the business category generated by the AI, the urgency level, and the sentiment. I've already created this ticket table here. Next, let's configure the AI agent in Momen AI. We need a text input to receive the user's feedback. Now let's look at the prompt. I've prepared a prompt in advance. You can adjust this based on your business needs. Here we give the AI a clear role. In the task description, we tell the AI exactly what to do. Make sure to reference the input from earlier, so the user's feedback is passed to the AI. For output type, choose structured output. These three outputs here match the fields in the ticket table, where the results are stored in database. Make sure the data types match. Required fields help prevent missing AI outputs. It's like giving the AI a form to fill out. This helps the AI return the data, which the backend can use directly. You can also add descriptions here to better match your needs. Click Sync. Now let's build the action flow. Just like before, we need a text input to receive feedback from the front-end page. One important thing here. Set the execution mode to single step. That's required to run the AI node. Choose Start to begin. Pass the incoming user feedback to the AI. After the AI finishes processing, we save the results to the database. Select the ticket table. Map each parameter one by one. Because we chose structured output earlier, we can directly get usable result data here. Click Sync. On the page, add an input box and a button. Bind them to the action flow. Send the feedback from the input box into the action flow. Click Preview. Type in some user feedback. Click to trigger the action flow. Go back to the database. Here you can see the action flow ran successfully. The ticket table saved the user feedback, along with the AI's results.